Let's start with content creation and why YouTube is the absolute king when it comes to building wealth. Why YouTube? Because unlike Instagram or TikTok, YouTube videos have a longer shelf life. A video you upload today can still get views 5 years later and still make you money. That's what we call passive income. Now, let's talk real numbers. On average, YouTubers earn between $2 to $5 for every 1,000 views through AdSense. But wait, that's just the surface. Depending on your niche like finance, tech, or education, you could earn $10 to even $50 for 1,000 views. Just imagine. 10,000 views equals $50 to $500. 100,000 views equals $500 to $5,000. 1 million views? You're looking at $5,000 to $50,000 from just one video. But it gets crazier. Some channels don't even need 1 million views per video. If you post consistently, let's say 2 videos a week, and each video only gets 20,000 views, that's 160,000 views per month. At $5 per 1,000 views, you're making around $800 a month just from AdSense. Not to mention sponsorship deals, affiliate links, your own products. Now ask yourself, what would an extra 60,000 Indian rupees or 70,000 Indian rupees a month do for you? Would you finally quit that job you hate? Would you travel more? Would you invest in yourself? Real-world examples. Mr. Beast started posting videos at 13. Now he earns over $500 million per year. Indian YouTubers like Flying Beast, Technical Guruji, Mumbaiker Nikhil started from scratch. Today they're living dream lifestyles. Even small channels, yes, even ones with 10,000 to 20,000 subscribers, are making between 50,000 Indian rupees to 2 Indian rupees like a month. And guess what? Most of them had no fancy equipment when they started. Just their passion, their phone camera, and their willingness to keep going. Now, let's move to the second unstoppable way to build income. Selling digital products. Specifically ebooks. Now hear me out. You don't need to be a writer. You don't need to spend months typing a book. Thanks to AI tools like ChatGPT, you can create a professional level ebook in under 1 hour. Here's how simple it can be. Pick a profitable niche like fitness tips, financial advice, cooking, parenting hacks. Ask ChatGPT to help you create an outline. Fill in the sections with ChatGPT or your own insights. Format it neatly using free tools like Canva or Word. Upload to Amazon Kindle Direct Publishing, completely free. Set your price 199 Indian rupees, 299 Indian rupees, 499 Indian rupees. Whatever you want. And here's the magic. Once it's uploaded, your ebook stays online forever, earning you royalties for life without any extra work. Real-world examples. Self-published authors with just 5 to 10 simple ebooks are making $1,000 to $5,000 per month. Some bestsellers in small niches have earned 10 Indian rupees lakh to 50 Indian rupees lakh in a year from one ebook. Think about it. Would you spend 1 hour today to create something that could pay your bills for years? So here's the truth. We live in the best time in history to create multiple income streams. The world has changed. You don't need a boss's permission. You don't need a degree from Harvard. You need courage, consistency, and the willingness to start even if you're scared. If you start today, 1 year from now, your life could look completely different. You could have your own YouTube channel bringing in 1 Indian rupee lakh a month. You could have your own digital products selling worldwide even while you sleep. And years later, when someone asks you, how did you build your dream life? You'll smile and say, I took action when everyone else was still making excuses. If you found this video valuable, hit that like button, subscribe, and comment I'm ready below if you're ready to start your journey today. Remember, the best investment you'll ever make is in yourself.